How to fix Van 9101 attestation failure in Valorant. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix error code Van 9101 attestation failure on your Valorant client or game. Now, the one that is actually causing this error or problem is actually Vanguard. So what you want to have to do is to fully remove Vanguard from your Valorant client. To do so is to go into your Windows search and then type in add. And then in here, what you want to have to choose is onto the add or remove programs under your system settings. So this is how you can properly remove apps and features that you have on your PC. You can use this box here and then type in Vanguard. And what you need to do is just to manually uninstall or remove Vanguard from your PC. What you wanna have to do next is to reinstall by updating your Valorant game, and it will automatically be added into your PC again. And that's it. That is the easiest method for you to fix Van 9101 attestation failure in Valorant.